Welcome back everyone! Today we will learn how to convert images into ASCII art. This is one of the examples that we will do today. Let's dive into the programming. Step 1. Let's create and activate a virtual environment. This helps us keep our project dependencies isolated and organized. Open your terminal and type the following commands: python-m venv-utils, and then source venv-utils bin activate. This creates a virtual environment named venv-utils and activates it. Step 2. Now let's install all the necessary packages for our art project. Type the following command in your terminal: pip install pycairo, matplotlib, numpy, scikit-image. This command installs pycairo, matplotlib, numpy, and scikit-image, which are essential libraries for creating stunning visualizations and digital art. Step 3. With our environment set up, let's open Visual Studio Code to start creating our art. In your terminal type code dot, and I will create a folder called data, and I'll put images that we are going to convert into ASCII art in this folder. So now that we have set up our environment, let's dive into the code. First, we import the necessary libraries. We have Cairo for graphics, matplotlib for plotting, numpy for numerical operations, and scikit-image for image processing. Next, we define a list of ASCII characters that we will use to represent different shades of gray in our image. Now I want to print the first 5 characters just to give you a glimpse. Now let's define some functions to convert pixels to ASCII characters and images to ASCII art. The pixel to ASCII function maps pixel values to ASCII characters based on their intensity. We also vectorize the pixel to ASCII function to apply it efficiently to entire image. Finally, the image to ASCII function takes an image as input and converts it into ASCII art. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, we are able to turn ordinary images into captivating ASCII art. Let's put our code to the test by converting an image into stunning ASCII art. First, we load an image of our choice. Here we are using a beautiful portrait of Anya Taylor-Joy. Take a look at the original image. Now it's time to work our magic. We will convert this image into ASCII art using our previously defined function. Let's see a result. So here in the text editor you can see the minimap, and you can see that the result that we got really emphasizes the portrait of Anya Taylor-Joy, but we use just like simple characters to represent the image that we had in the beginning. We are not done yet. Let's take our ASCII art to the next level by rendering it using the Cairo graphics library. First, we define some helper functions to handle text rendering with Cairo. These functions help us calculate the width of a line and the height of a character in our ASCII art. Now let's dive into the main function Cairo image. This function takes our ASCII art array and converts it into a beautiful image. We set up a Cairo surface and context, choose our font and font size, and then proceed to render each line of ASCII art onto the surface. I want to mention here that I am using the Courier font because in this font each character has the same width as any other in the font, and it makes the process much easier. Also, in this function we can customize the theme of our image, whether it's light or dark. With just a few lines of code we are able to create stunning images from our ASCII art. Let's put it all together and save our masterpiece to a file. And there you have it, a beautiful ASCII art image rendered with the power of Python and Cairo. Now I just want to increase the detalization of the image. For that I will increase the amount of characters per each line by changing the encall argument in the function, and here we have the result. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, and at the end let's convert the image from Spirited Away as well. And here is the result. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and take care, my friend. See you next time.